Today I'm gonna start the video a little bit different. I'm gonna start off by saying I lost about like 3 days worth of content I filmed, and it kind of sucked, but things happen, I guess. One of the things I lost was me finishing the blast pipe thing for my exhaust. I'll have a video coming up on that pretty soon. Gotta finish the ending again because I lost it all. The second thing was Zach and I lowering my car again. As you can see, it's pretty low again. Lower in the front. Really could have put under there. But I got stretch tires again, so maybe I'll get lumps again. Hope not. 205/40. The third thing I lost was Billy's exhaust work. We were doing cat delete, but we didn't really lose much on that. We just lost taking the cat back off, so that shouldn't really be much of a problem. So that video will be coming out too. But here's the clip of me letting my brother use my old tires to burn them out. Yeah, let's go ahead and do it. Stop! Oh my god! What the hell?
And I missed it!
Oh shoot! Damn! Oh my god! Oh! Look at that! Look at my tires! Did you expect that to happen? No, look at my tires! You burned those things! Dude, you raped my tires! Good thing I got new ones. Dude, look at the inside. The inside has smoke!
How much smoke was that?
No, you don't watch the Oh, that tire burn right there. But yeah, I lost quite a bit of footage, but it'll be fine. I'll make some more. Things happen. Well, we got the exhaust down. Now we gotta try finding a flange that'll mate up to that thing, or which
I mean, the angle's right, but
the angle's right. Well, it doesn't fit. It fits.
too big.
Not too big. It'll be fine.
That's like a goddamn line.
Huh?
I feel like that's a goddamn line.
We gotta find a flange just like this one, so we can mount it up and delete the cat. All right, Billy, get that one. The Trans Am. Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Need a hammer?
Probably. She doesn't want to come off.
All right, I'm gonna go drive the car to make it warm. I'd like to be a little louder. It's that last cat. That boost sound. You should rev it again, Billy. I like the way it sounds right now. You should just keep it like this. You like it like this, Billy?
It's too gas smelling.
Oh, it was right under you?
And my gas.
Oh,
a lot.
yeah. Just gotta get a tune. Haha. Well, we just got back from the drive. Hopefully it's hot enough to take off that ring thing, or it just blew off.
Why do I feel like they're not on right?
They're not on right?
It sounds a little off.
Damn, I know what the fuck.
It looked. No, you must have turned her.
So like get a video of it. Nah, it's good. Yeah.
What the fuck? I can see it in the car.
Whoops.
Yeah, it's good now.
What the heck happened, Connor? When I went,
The wheel was straight.
well, when we went up, I was like, what the heck happened?
I know, but it did not feel right at all.
What the heck? Why'd you throw it over here?
Ow!
Oh.
Fuck, I forgot it's hot.
The heck, Billy?
What's up with this, man? Stop.
Oh, it's my cat. That's why we brought it out here, because the...
Did you eat it?
Oh, no, not yet. It's a little big. You think we actually fill it? Wait 1 second. Oh, it stinks under here.
You see all the plate it has?
Yeah. Don't hit me, Billy. Ow, this hurts. You think we should just blow up to the car and just...
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll use the car. That didn't work very well. Hey, get a video of this. look at my custom hanger job I did back then.
Hey Justin, it might work.
What?
It might work.
It will?
It might.
It might?
Look at it.
God damn, I hate this membrane right here. You think it actually would work? No, that will work.
Come look at it.
It will. I'm 100% sure. All right, man. Let's do some tricks, Zach. Oh! Yeah, you did a kickflip on a longboard.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna squeeze that little gasket thing in there. It should work, but I think you might actually rattle.
Rattle how?
Oh wait, we can make hangers.
Rattle on what, that?
No, the membrane on the bottom. That thing, yeah. Unless we
It
make,
has... Oh shit, we have to put hangers right
yeah, we can make hangers. We have a lot of extensions, Billy.
there. God damn it. Alright, so let's start chopping.
Serious? You just want to get this over with? You know what I think, Billy? How much before inspection? How much do you have before your inspection comes along?
I don't know.
Check. Because I think we should just cut that off, weld that to it, call it a day, and when it comes, we'll make the flanges, you know what I mean? Oh, you're good, dude. You got till August. We just gotta not be lazy in summer. You wanna do that?
Where are we gonna want it?
Where's the cat come off? We have tons of pipe, Billy.
I know you do.
Well, we gotta find a pipe that goes from here to here and see how long we have that portion on the other one. On that. So we still need this much pipe to go back
Yeah.
to here. Oh, we'll just cut it off. We'll cut it off right here.
Yeah, like right in the middle.
Yeah. All right, we're about to hook this back up to the axle part so we can tack it up with this side. And we're gonna chop this for length. There's just a random hose cut off. Where is it, Billy?
It's in the back seat.
Right here. Just a random hose. Dang, slam that thing.
Oh, fuck. Hey, Connor, you want a gasket?
No, that shit's broken.
It's a souvenir.
All right, time to make one of the final moves. You want to actually like go ahead and cut some of this? I hammer that, Zach. With the hanger.
Extension?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll try.
I don't want to get them dirty.
Wrong part, Zach. Yeah. White people.
White power!
What?
Huh?
Huh?
Josh is still here. What are we talking about?
Dang. me
will.
too. Alright, whose turn is it? It's not hard. This thing does all the work.
To do what?
Shit, I'll do it. Good shot, good shot. Alright, well, we set everything up and we're about to tack it all. And we got the setup going on right now. The jack holding it. And he's got connect. That pipe right there to this pipe. And we got this. Oh, that's a nice one. All right, we gotta take the exhaust off very carefully now.
Yeah, if not, it'll snap.
Just did all this unnecessary work to cut this bolt off because it broke. I had to Dremel this off. Freaking Billy. Alright, we're done with the welds and we're about to put it back on once Billy comes back with the new bolts. And it's just time to clean all this crap up. Alright, well, we just gotta tighten the rest of everything down and we're good. Alright, time for the moment of truth. What do you think,
I
Billy?
don't really hear it like lead.
Really?
Not in here at all.
What did you say?
It sounds growlier.
It is something. Yeah.
We got a lot of crap in your exhaust though.
That motherfucker loves watermelon.
But of course you like watermelon, Josh.
What?
Of course you like watermelon.
I said you, nigga.
What?
I said that motherfucker loves watermelon, and I pointed at you. So how's that work, Dustin?
Here's a little higher.
I got fucking Italian dressing, ranch dressing, 1,000 high.
You know that one?
I don't know.
I was fucking mad for you.
This one stuff's good as
Whichever is
shit.
easiest for you.
I'm healthy.
Like, it's only 130 calories per serving. I don't even use 2 tablespoons. What? What you looking at me for, huh? Stop looking at me. Okay. Alright, I'll put your little head on there. Cut the angle out of it. Imagine
That
somebody
doesn't need
cut
a
your hair
grab.
with that.
What?
Imagine somebody cut your hair with that.
I think your hair would just get caught in a yank thing.
Yes. Sure. No,
What the fuck?
well, I expect it's Ben.
This dude's feasting back here.